Raindrops fall, gentle and slow, whisper through the tree, softly they flow. In the hush of nature's song, find where you belong. Underneath the greening shade, a quiet journey undismayed. Turtle wandering slow and free in the rain, just let it be. Raindrops and leaves, a symphony, nature's heartbeat, wild and free, moving with the gentle rain. Ease your mind, release your pain. Silent whisper stories told, in each drop a soul unfolds. Beauty in the simple scene, living in the in-between. Rain fades away, the earth sighs underneath the changing skies. Turtles trail a quiet hum. In the rain we come to strum. Raindrops fall, gentle.
He used to love the water shine. Now he lingers at the line, tracing circles in the dusty earth, forgotten echoes of his mirth. Dragonfly, emerald fire, tiny sparks that never tire. The wind whispers secrets in the reeds, ancient tales the silence feeds. By the edge he stands so still, chasing shadows lost at will. The water calls, but he won't dive, a heart adrift, yet still alive. Once he soared where ripples gleam, a dreamer lost inside a dream. Now his claws just scratch the ground, where memories of joy are found. The breeze hums soft like a ghostly hymn. The light fades out, but not with him. He feels the pull, but holds his place, shadow etched in time and space. By the edge he stands so still, chasing shadows lost at will.
And slow, whisper through the trees. Softly they flow in the hush of nature's song. Find where you belong.
Eyes locked on the endless flow, no escape. Pixels dance like whispers in the night, no shape. Fingers hover over keys, no waves to type. Choking on the quiet screams, can't make it right. Reflections ripple in the screen, I see my face. A ghost of Xaausd in this space. The water pulls me under, can't fight the tide. Drowning in the current where I used to hide. Reflections ripple in the screen, I see my face. A ghost of who I used to be, lost in this space. The water pulls me under, can't fight the tide. Drowning in the current where I used to hide. Through the stream, I try to find my soul. Caught in the current, losing all control. Brain, a fragment of my broken mind. Through the stream, I leave myself behind. Shadows flicker like memories I can't erase. Voices echo through the dark I can't replace. Every moment loose and twists a tangled line, searching for the pieces of a life that's mine. Feel the static in my veins, it's all I know. This connection cuts so deep, won't let me go. Streaming thoughts that never end, they tear me apart. A shattered mirror showing cracks inside my heart. Through the stream, I try to find my soul. Caught in the current, losing all control. Every frame, a fragment of my broken mind. Through the stream, I leave myself behind. Behind. Feel the static in my veins, it's all I know. This connection cuts so deep, won't let me go. Streaming thoughts that never end, they tear me apart. A shattered mirror showing cracks inside my heart. Through the stream, I try to find my soul. Losing all control. Every frame, a fragment of my broken mind. Through the stream, I leave myself behind. Behind.
Underneath the greening shade, a quiet journey.
Used to dream of millions fast. Now I dream of peace that lasts, staring for dopamine hits. Just take my setup, then I let it sit. Funded accounts, withdrawals clean. Still drive the same car, still sip caffeine. But my time's mine. Old. No more clock-ins, no one to hold. Bought back my mornings, bought back my sleep. Now my energy runs strong and deep. Trading gave what school never taught. Emotional strength and disciplined thought. I'm mentor now, past what I earned, so others don't crash where I once burned. Told my story raw, learns from just highlight calls. Legacy ain't in the dust, seeds you plant while others sleep. Turned off the noise, found joy in silence and grown man poise. Now I trade when I want, not every day. Freedom's not numbers, it's walking away. I'm not just a trader, I'm calm and clear. I built a life, not just a career. Been through the fire, came out clear. But I still treat the chart with a touch of fear. Cause the market don't care about what I've done. Every session's new, every run's begun. I journal still, I mark each day. The growth ain't over, it's just changed its way. Now it's not can I win, but can I grow? Can I teach more truth than what I know? Taught my little cousin risk portray. Said it ain't about the flex, it's the plan you laid. Grateful for losses, they made me wise. Grateful for doubt, it sharpened my eyes. Now when I win, I don't even cheer. I just nod my head, like it's clear. But the mindset stays. Minimal living in abundant ways. From pain to peace, from rush to still. I mastered the chart, and then mastered my with every fall. Now I stand tall.
Ain't just lines on a screen, it's knowing who you are behind the green. My IG clean, no Lambo dreams, just charts and quotes and balanced themes. I'm blended, yeah, but the goal ain't fame. It's time for the peace and a bulletproof brain. No more highs, no more crashing lows. I learned to breathe while the market goes. Detached from wins, detached from loss. Tied to the charts or score, it's tied to peace when I close the door. When I'm calm, it rewards the pick. It taught me more than a business plan. Taught me patience, taught me to understand my need for control, my thirst for speed. How little I knew about what I really need. It ain't about green, it's about growth and downturnings. Taught me to breathe, taught me silence when faced with death. Every loss brought wisdom's light. Every fake out, birth new sight. I've seen my worst on a losing day. It still showed up, that's the trader's way. No applause, no crowd, no brand parade. Just a quiet desk and a chart displayed. That's great. No my grace. No my grace. But pace. Asset challenge, never saying clean. Just flex, no luck, just down. Green, no flex, no luck, just structure and screen. Trust, no luck, just structure and screen. Drawdowns light, wrist stay tight. Traded my edge to the fear in the fight. Traded my edge to the fear in the fight. Traded my edge to the fear in the fight. Fear in the fight. Fear in the fight. Like candles form, don't guess or hope. If the setup's clean, I enter, no, I cope. Miss the move, then I missed it wise. FOMO fades when the ego dies. No crest or hope.
You win, you lose, you learn. For ain't just, it's a mirror of you. Started with a dream and a demo account. Thought I flipped $10 to $1 million, no doubt. Watched YouTube trades, every pip they caught. Copy paste setups, no risk, just thought. Indicators stack, charts look like rain. MACD at RSI, man, I felt that strain. Blurry-eyed nights, chasing every spike. No stop loss, faith, just vibes and hype. Telegram group selling magic codes, but nobody talked about the lonely roads I took. But none of them matched what's in the door. I had skill, but I only had hope in it. But I only had hope in a chase for thrill. Watched XAUUSD fake every zone. Thought it'd break out, but I traded alone. FOMO ran deep, couldn't sit tight. Click and buy and sell just to feel right. Mentor said, boy, this ain't no race. You gotta slow down, this market needs grace. Forget fast wins, learn risk, get wise. Cause even clean charts can still tell lies. Risk low, earn slow, that's how the pips pips grow, no revenge trades, let the setup show. You ain't late, just wait, let the pattern glow. Every pro knows it's a long road. One loss, cool, don't tilt, don't fold. Stick to your plan, let your edge take hold. Don't flex trades, let results be told, cause chasing green will burn your gold. Months started seeing the truth, less about luck, more about let my knowledge grow. No need to force, just let it come. Three confluences, then I drop that thumb. Support, resist, Fibonacci levels, breakout maps, risk to reward on a 3-to-1. Tight stop loss, then I let it run. Learn patience deep, held that gold. Let the 4H chart really unfold. Now I sip tea while trades move slow. No more panic when the candles go. Demo to fund it, I passed that phase. No overnight flex, just 90 days. Lost some nights, but I found my pace. Now I am journaling trades, emotions too climb. 3 a.m. rise, chart still dark. Eyes half shut, but I feel that spark. Tokyo slow, but I prep my plan. Mark zones clean like a surgeon's hand. Loan. Loan.
Wake up with the market to the eyes, can't go like dancing, truth never hides. No sleep chasing, I take pride in the world of Forex, I survive.
I shut the big C trend looking tight. USD flex every spike in the night, but I stay calm. Hold that line, don't chase the hype. From Tokyo to NY, I ride that tide. Every pip earned with my eyes wide. Yeah, charts don't lie, but the game's cold. One bad trade, then you fold. But I backtest, baby, I play bold. In Forex land, I break the mold. Red to green, then back again. Market's a beast, gotta tame that trend. No FOMO, no revenge, just price action, that's my best friend. Fibonacci levels are receipt deep. Patience pays while the reckless weep. Go breaking off scalpers leap, but I'm swinging high in the zone so steep. Mind on the macro, feet in the zone. Forex ain't luck, it's a skill I own. Draw down hurt, yeah I've known, but I learned the game, now I trade alone. Charts don't lie, but your greed might. Hold that line, don't chase the hype. From Sydney to NY, I ride that tide. Every pip earned with my eyes wide. Yeah, charts don't lie, but the game's cold. One bad trade, then you fold. But I backtest, baby, I play bold. In Forex land, I break the mold. So say your goals, keep your edge tight. Trade your plan, hold that inside. This is the grind, not a quick flight. Forex for life, we own the night. Own the night. Own the night.
3-minute demo account. Thought I flipped $10 to $1 million, no doubt. Watch YouTube trades, every pip they caught. Copy paste setups, no risk, just thought. Indicators stacked, charts looked like rain. MACD, RSC, man, I felt that strain. Blurry-eyed nights chasing every spike. No stop loss, fake, just vibes and hype. Telegram group selling magic codes, but nobody talk about them lonely roads. Fear in my gut when the red bar dropped. Told myself, hold on till my equity stop. Chase no high, just ride the tide. Every candle's got truth inside. Pips don't lie when you slow that mind. Money comes when the stars align. Risk low, grow slow, build your name. Let the world trade hype, you trade the game. Charts don't care about your pride or pain. Discipline wins, that's how you gain. But my first real account in a London flash. Tried to hold GJ, market moved too fast. No stop loss, just dreams and pride. Next candle hit hard, margin died inside. Screenshots saved of the trades I took, but none of them matched what's in the textbook. Swore I had edge, swore I had skill, but I only had hope bit tight. Clicking buy and sell just to feel right. I just said, boy, this ain't no race. You gotta slow down, this market needs grace. Forget fast wins, learn risk, get wise. Cause even clean charts can still tell lies. Risk low, earn slow, that's how the pips grow. No revenge trades, let the setup show. You ain't late, just wait, let the pattern glow. Every pro knows it's a long road. One loss, cool, don't tilt, don't fold. Stick to your plan, let your edge take hold. Don't chasing green will burn your gold. That Tested months, started seeing pop out proof. Mark zones clean, started taking notes. No more gut plays or emotional votes. Switch to one pair, learned its flow. Watch price react, let my knowledge grow. No need to force, just let it come. 3 confluences, then I drop that thumb. Support resistance, fake out traps. Fibonacci levels, breakout maps. Risk to reward on a 3-to-1. Tight stop loss, then I let it run. Learn patience deep, held that gold. Let the 4H chart really unfold. Now I sip tea while trades move slow. No more panic when the candles go. Demo to fund it, I passed that phase. No overnight flex, just 90 days. Lost some nights, but I found my pace. Now I enter calm with a stoic face. Not just charts, I log my mind, cause inner peace beats the fastest climb. 3 a.m. rise, chart still dark. Eyes half keel slow, but I prep my plan. Mark zones clean like a surgeon's hand. Lock. You win. Yodel rise, chart still dark. Eyes half shut, but I feel that spark. Tokyo slow, but I prep my plan. Mark zones clean like a surgeon's hand. Lock. Oh, win, you lose, you.
It's no longer just about money, Ernie. It's about personal.
Just know that just pretend it's about personal risk day tight. Trading my edge through the fear of the fight.
Got the email, you're funded now. No cap, no dance, just a silent wow. Withdrawals real, but my ego stayed flat. Community strong, found my tribe. No signal scams, just real-time vibe. Zoom calls deep, late night chat, discussing trades, journaling that. Help young traders fix their zone. Told them, stop trading when you're trading alone. Shared my fails, showed the scars, so they skip them wounds and reach for stars. Now I give more than I chase wins. Legacy, built with the lessons within. Trading ain't just lines on a screen. It's knowing who you are behind the green. My IG clean, no Lambo dreams. Just charts and quotes and balanced themes. I'm funded, yeah, but the goal ain't fame. It's time, freedom, peace, and a bulletproof brain. No more highs, no more crashing lows. I learn to breathe while the market goes. Detached from wins, detached from loss. Every trade's just numbers, I don't feel the cost. Took years to train this mental space, where silence wins and I slow my pace. Don't chase thrills, don't need a rush. I find my peace in the quiet hush. Let candles form, don't guess or hope. If the setup's clean, I enter, I cope. Missed the move, then I missed it wise. FOMO fades when the ego dies. I ain't the market, I'm just a guest. Respect its mood, and I trade my best. No anger swings when the SL hits, just lessons logged, then I call it quits. No dopamine chase, no should've cries. Just data, facts, and sharpened eyes. I meditate more, over-tried less. Every entry now is a patience test. My worth ain't tied to the charts or score. It's tied to peace when I close the door. I'm not a gambler, I'm not a fluke. I'm a student of price, and a master of truth. Forex ain't charts, it's a mirror of me. Shows my fear, shows who I be. When I rush, it punishes quick. When I'm calm, it rewards the pick. It taught me more than a business plan. Taught me patience, taught me to understand my need for control, my thirst for speed. How little I knew about what I really need. It ain't about green, it's about growth. And discipline, that's the rarest dose. Most break under pressure, seek the thrill. But I learned to wait, that's a trader's skill. Stop forcing setup, started walking away. Knowing no trade is a win today. Taught me boundaries, taught me breathe. Taught me silence when faced with death. Every loss brought wisdom's light. Every fake out birthed new sight. I've seen my worst on a losing day. It still showed up, that's the trader's way. No applause, no crowd, no grand parade. Just a quiet desk and a chart display. But that screen became my sacred space, where I faced myself and found my grace.
If I need a beat suggestion to go with it, let me know. Wake up with the market in my eyes, candlelight dancing, truth never hides. No sleep chasing that pip ride. In the world of Forex, I survive. I check the big C, trend looking tight. USD flexing, euro in a fight. News drop heavy, spike in the night, but I stay calm, got my stop loss right. London session, I'm locked in a zone. Risk 1%, let the profits be grown. Discipline the key, yeah, the chart's my throne. Charts don't lie, but you greed my hype. From Tokyo to NY, rhymes cold. One bad trade, then you fold. Dark night test, baby, I play bold. In Forex land, I break the mold. Red to green, then back again. Markets a beast, gotta tame that trend. No FOMO, no revenge, just price action, that's my best friend. Fibonacci levels RSC.